rotten, cheese-eating, whiny-ass, brown-nosing rat bastards. They're at every workplace. Yeah, I'm on my way home from work again, venting a little bit. They're everywhere. Mind your own damn business. Tell you what, I work with they're worse than children. They're worse than most children. I'm telling you right now, they're worse than my grandkids, most of my kids. Like, holy crap, man. I work with mostly men. You know, I'll tell you right now. Most men will out-Karen any Karen you can put them up with. Little whiny-ass bitches. These are the guys that drive down the road and won't let you over. These are the guys that think it's all about them. You know, you think about it. What are they like at home? Because these guys go home to families. You know, and they got children. Are they raising their kids this way? Are they raising their children to be little brown-nosed snitches? Is that what they're doing? I mean, they're worried so much about someone else in their business that they're gonna go to the boss and tell them they're taking too long on a break, or they looked at me wrong. I got grown men that worry that they worry to death if they, God forbid, they think you get a couple extra sprinkles on your ice cream cone than they have. Holy crap, that's not fair. That's not fair. How come he gets to do that? Why does he get to the extra sprinkles? Holy crap, man. And I'm telling you, they're everywhere. They're everywhere. And it's not, and I'm telling you, I got the girls in my family, the women in my family, they work with us all. Wait until you work with a bunch of women. They're worse. I don't believe it. I don't think it can get any worse. You know what? I don't think these guys go home to their families. I think I know a few of them at home. And what they do at home is the same thing they do at work. They put themselves in front of their children and their spouses. They put themselves in front of their parents. It's all about them. Everybody else takes a back seat. It's what they want for dinner. It's what the movie they're going to watch, what they want to have. At home, they take care of their own wants before they take care of their family's needs. I've seen it. I've seen it. We've all seen it. The guy drives a much nicer car than his wife, who drives twice the distance as he does. They're narcissistic assholes. That's what it is, and they're in the workplace. It's a cancer. It'll bring that place down. And then you got these little foremen or bosses or supervisors that'll listen to it, feed off of it. Instead of nipping it right in the bud, I tell them, get your little whiny ass away from me. If you got a problem with Joe, go talk to Joe. But that's not how it works. Not in the real world. Anyway, that's my vent. And I do love my job. If pages I love, hate my job, I do love, hate my job. I could go on forever about why I love it, usually on payday. But I do love my job. I have a lot of friends and family that I work with, and the great people. But I think everybody loves and hates their job. So I'll try to be more positive in the future. But you're just getting my little drive home vent. Over.